Alright, this is Dan from Retro Restore Camping, and I wanted to give you an update of what we're doing here. Alright, so like I had said in one of my other videos, that the floor was rotten here and we were going to replace it. So I already have the floor almost up. I'm about ready to change it out and replace it, but I wanted to just show you kind of what I did here and how I did it, because I don't think there's any videos on how to do it. Okay, so if you look at these here, basically all these are rivets. So what I did is I used a 1/4-inch drill bit and drilled those out, and the head actually came off onto the drill. Drilled those out, all in the areas and then there was a rail, like this rail over here, and I drilled those out as well, here and here. I used a smaller drill bit for this. I think I used an X size down from the 1/4-inch, and drilled these out, and this actually came off. What I'm going to do is I actually have the Lowe's here in Michigan. It does not have a inch thick. This is actually inch thick plywood. If you can see here, it's inch thick plywood. All they have was a 3/4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this up and put the 3/4 in, and then get a 1/4-inch piece to put over top. So I had to take this rail off over here so I could get access to it. The rail is actually right here. That's the rail. So that's what I'm doing now. I actually have this up. I actually got treated. This is what it looks like underneath. There's foam pads that I believe they have a coating on them to help with the well, it isn't right there actually, but so that's what this looks like underneath. It has these little pieces that fit in here, this area. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm getting ready to replace this whole floor piece. You can see it had a little from the leak area there, but we already have that fixed. Okay, I'll keep you informed on. Actually, you can still see here. You can see one of the things I didn't drill all the way down. I'm going to have to actually cut this off or drill it out. But that's what they look like. These are the rivets that were with those big heads, and these are the other rivets. So what I have, obviously, I don't have anything to put the rivets back down with. So I got these Tech screws, 1 7/16. That's what I'm going to use to screw it back down to that aluminum plate. Alright, I'll patch back in after I get this out and put the new one in. Alright, see you soon.
computer again. So it'll be so much easier with the vacuum and that thing.
Alright, so that's what it looks like. Those were foam pieces with aluminum on the back. The aluminum was coated. That's what it looks like. As you can see, I have some of these I have to either grind down or drill out. There's some longer ones here that I have to do before I can put that down. And it looks like there was some kind of a glue that held both the foam and the wood down. I'm going to get some liquid nail for that. I don't know what they used, but I'm going to use some liquid nail. That would help also, I believe, to prevent the sound of it vibrating in the areas that you don't have a rivet in, or a screw in. That will help with that. So that's what it looks like. Without the floor in there. As you can see, it's pretty low. There's actually a jack in the back. Not very high, but still. And it'll still actually go even lower. That's pretty low. I got a couple inches before it hits the ground there. Now on this side I actually have a jack almost to the highest level in the back, and it's still pretty low. Alright, I'm gonna cut back in when I get some more stuff done, and I'll give you more to look at. Alright.